Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites and immediately capturing evidence. You need to boot into safe mode or recovery and attach an external monitor to rule out panel issues. While the system is down, gather logs, demask on Linux or Event Viewer on Windows, and write down GPU driver and firmware versions. Once done, disable automatic driver updates to prevent overwrites, and place the device on a stable power source so nothing interrupts the next steps. Next, focus on drivers and firmware, because most preview black screens are driver regressions. You should roll back to the last known good driver or perform a clean install using vendor installers or they. This removes corrupted remnants. Then reflash GPU or system firmware with the official stable image and verify checksums to avoid bad flashes. Make sure to reset graphics profiles and disable compositors or display manager overrides so the preview uses a predictable pipeline during test boots. Finally, reboot into the preview and watch logs live while switching display modes to verify whether framebuffer is created. If the screen remains black, collect a kernel or system minidump and document exact reproduction steps so you can file an actionable bug with the vendor. As a temporary measure, use software rendering or revert to a prior stable build to restore functionality. One key troubleshooting tip: if graphics initialization fails consistently, swap in an external GPU or alternate display to isolate hardware versus software costs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.